Hey, what's up everyone and welcome to yet another video. Today we'll be looking at the today function in Excel. So let's get started. The today function is fairly simple and returns the current date. The formula requires no arguments. If the cell format before entering the date function was general, Excel changes that into a date format. Now, we don't have a similar formula to return the current year, month, or week, but we can use this function creatively to get what we want. We know that the year function returns the year value from a particular date. We can use that along with the today function to extract the current year. In a similar way, we can return the current month, week, and also the weekday. We can also use this function to calculate the difference between a particular date and today. I can use this function to calculate the number of days since I was born. Simply type in today, open and close brackets, select my birth date and enter. Oh, another thing. This function gets updated every time Excel recalculates the formulas within the workbook. To check if Excel recalculates automatically or manually, click on File, go down to Options and select Formulas. In the calculation options, you will see if recalculation option is set to automatic or manual. If it is manual, you have to press F9 every time to recalculate all the formulas in the workbook. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.